Nakita niyo na ba tong ramenan na to sa mga mall and you are surprised that they are offering an affordable ramen? Kung ganon, tara, let's review QQ Ramen as a normal customer. Hahatiin natin to sa tatlong aspeto: the service, satisfaction, and quality and quantity. Service. Service is casual, pare. Kukunin nila yung order mo, then you can ask for the best sellers kung wala kang idea. Then after you order, you pay, then you wait 10 to 15 minutes hanggang mag-buzz yung remote na to. Satisfaction. So we ordered 2 QQ ramen for 99 pesos each, beef gyudon for 189 pesos, and gyoza for 75 pesos. Simulan natin sa QQ ramen. It has this thin slice of pork with seaweed and garnish. Mid lang, pare, pang 99 lang talaga yung lasa. It doesn't have the same richness of flavor ng mga tig 300 plus. Pero then again, pare, this is just for 99 pesos. So you get what you pay for. Pero on the other side, pare, masarap pa din naman. Pero mas okay sana kung may condiments to adjust the flavor or the taste. But then again, paulit-ulit, 99 pesos lang to, so I did not expect a lot from it. Beef gyudon. Beef gyudon, pare, is actually good, ah. Ang flavorful niya for its price. Halos ka-level na nito yung medyo pricey na gyudon na natikman ko. Pagdating naman sa gyoza, pare, medyo may pagka-rubbery yung dough. Pero goods pa din, pare, kasi 75 pesos lang to. Pretty much you get what you paid for. Quality and quantity. Para sa QQ ramen na 99 pesos, the quality and quantity is good for its price. Ang angas lang na they successfully transformed this typically high-priced noodles into an affordable option without compromising on quality, pare. Overall, not bad, ah. Sa totoo lang, this affordable QQ ramen is a 4 out of 5 para sa kanyang price, quality, and quantity. Kung mahilig ka rin sa ramen, katulad ko, pero wala kang budget or you don't have enough money to satisfy your cravings, goods dito, pare, pero it's not the same sa mga mamahalin. Pero pwede na, pare, pwede na.